Hello, I have two questions for you. And the first question is, are you an Express developer? And the second question is, do you have a web application or a web app that you are really proud of and you want to deploy it to the cloud so everybody can see it on the internet? If you've answered with yes to these questions, then this course is for you. So you wonder what is the content of this course? So let me tell you. Well, first, I will teach you about DigitalOcean, which is a hosting provider for developers. And then I will teach you to use Linux, PM2 and NGINX on the server. We will continue to set up an account and droplet on DigitalOcean. And I will show you how to buy a domain and relate it to your server. Then we will deploy an Express app to the cloud, followed by installing MongoDB on the server, and we will finish by deploying an Express server with a React client to the cloud. So let's get started.